Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is OctoSafety.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased OctoSafety.com reviews will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Well, the site sells personal protection equipments and they mostly sell the respirator. The mask they are giving is very much famous. Here we can see how the mask looks. It's Octo Safety. It has different features like antimicrobial protection, reusable, large air vents, soft silicone facial seal, etc. Here they have mentioned some of the news regarding them, and here the newsletter is also given by this website. The informations and the bottom page is also mentioned quite well. The payment methods are not mentioned anywhere by the site. Although, let's check out their shipping policy to know more about themselves. So here they have mentioned that within 48 hours they'll deliver the order, which is quite fast and convenient too. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a legit or scam website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. The website domain age was very much good too, as it was created on 1st January 2020, which means the site is almost 8 months old, which is a good thing, but it's still new, although it does have a bit of credibility because it is 8 months old. Now let's check out the About Us section. So here they have mentioned the details regarding themselves and they have given a very descriptive information regarding themselves, their year start, owners and their mission, project Breathe, and many more information are given here, which is a very good thing. The information does not look to be copied or pasted. The price of the product is quite good comparing to the quality of it, and the payment methods are not mentioned. Now let's check out their Contact Us section. So here they have given their contact address, which is a good thing, although they have not given any customer service email ID, which is not a very good thing. Although here they have mentioned the query form which you can fill and ask your queries about anything. If we talk about the social media presence, the site is having okay social media presence on Facebook and Instagram. They do not have much following, but it can be because that the site is actually new and it is still trying to build up the image. Now let's check out their return policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite fair enough. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the site. The customer reviews of this website were very less and there were no opinions about this website either. Although the people are very interested in knowing the legitimacy of this website and its products, as it seems very legit. If we talk about the website content quality, the website content quality is quite good, although they have not given much information regarding other sectors, but it is still descriptive. They have good about us page, the images are authentic, etc. So guys, giving a final verdict, this site is a potentially legit one and we recommend it to you as it does not have any suspicious things, and the information here is also very much nice too. So you can go ahead with your purchasing with this website. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe.